We are at our room here in Saratoga Springs. It is a 1-bedroom villa. You see we have plenty of space right here. Dishwasher, freezer, fridge, microwave, coffee pot, whole oven, everything here that pulls out. And then a large bathroom area.
Another bed.
Closet.
Another bed.
Other bathroom area, separate toilet with a shower and a tub. So they both connect from both sides. And the master bedroom, which Crockett seems to think he's gonna rule the roost on, but he's not. And then it also has laundry. So this is really nice for a long stay.